Is center manipulation the secret SEO weapon that nobody talks about? Today we're covering everything. What center manipulation actually is, how it works, the real risks, and what you should do instead. Before we get into manipulation, let's understand what center is. Click-through rate, or center, is the percentage of people who click your search result after seeing it in Google. If 100 people see your page in the results and 10 click it, your center is 10%. It sounds simple, but center is one of the most powerful signals in SEO. Here's why. The average center for position 1 in Google is around 28 to 30%. By position 5, that drops to about 5%. By position 10, you're getting less than 2%. Even a small improvement in center can mean a massive increase in organic traffic without changing your ranking at all. You can track your exact center in Google Search Console for free. Now here's where it gets interesting. Does center actually affect your Google rankings? Google has officially denied that center is a direct ranking factor. But in 2024, internal Google documents were leaked, and center appeared as a ranking input. Multiple industry studies with 90-plus data points show strong correlation between center improvements and ranking increases. Some SEOs have reported ranking changes within hours of improving center on a page. The evidence is hard to ignore. So what exactly is center manipulation? Center manipulation is the practice of artificially inflating your click-through rate on a specific URL in Google search results. The idea is to send signals to Google that your result is popular and relevant, causing Google to boost your ranking. There are 4 main techniques used. The first is manual click networks. These are paid communities where members click each other's URLs at specific times of day using their own real devices and IP addresses. After clicking, they browse the page naturally to simulate genuine user engagement. The second method is center bots and automation. Software tools simulate searches from rotating proxy servers, click your result, scroll through your page, and set specific dwell times. Many services claim to use residential proxies to reduce their detection risk. The third approach is app-based traffic services. Mobile apps pay real users to search specific keywords and click results. Because the traffic comes from real phones with unique IP addresses, it's much harder for Google to detect than data center bots. The fourth method uses residential proxy networks. Traffic is routed through real home internet connections. Combined with keyword matching search behavior, this closely mimics authentic organic searches. Now let's talk about the risks, because they are very real. The first risk is a Google penalty. Google's spam team actively hunts artificial click patterns. Unnatural traffic spikes can trigger manual reviews, and the result can be de-indexing or dramatic ranking drops. The second risk is that gains are only temporary. Center manipulation is not a long-term strategy. When you stop paying for the clicks, rankings often revert, sometimes to a position lower than where you started. The third risk is cost without a guaranteed return on investment. Center services cost anywhere from $50 to $500 or more per month per keyword. With no ranking improvement guarantee and a real penalty risk, the ROI is highly uncertain. The fourth risk is that Google's detection is improving rapidly. Machine learning models now compare your traffic patterns against normal user behavior. Unusual dwell times, bounce rates, and geographic distributions are flagged automatically. So what should you do instead? Here are 4 white hat strategies that improve real center safely, with no risk and permanent results. Number 1. Write power title tags. Use numbers, brackets, and emotional triggers. A title like 7 Center Manipulation Tactics That Actually Work in 2025 will consistently outperform generic titles. Number 2. Optimize your meta descriptions. Treat them exactly like ad copy. Include the keyword naturally, lead with a clear benefit, and end with a call to action. 155 characters maximum. Number 3. Add schema markup for rich snippets. Review, stars, FAQ dropdowns, and breadcrumbs dramatically increase your visual footprint in search results, and your center goes up with them. No manipulation required. Number 4. Use branded favicons and consistent site names. Trust drives clicks. Regular searchers who recognize your brand are far more likely to choose your result over an unfamiliar competitor. Have you ever tried center manipulation? Drop your honest answer in the comments right now. Yes, it worked. No, it didn't. Or I've never tried it. I read every single comment and I want to know what's working for real people. Now let's give you the verdict. Center manipulation can produce short-term ranking lifts, especially in low-competition niches where Google's detection is less aggressive. But for most businesses, the risks far outweigh the potential gains. A Google penalty can destroy years of SEO work in a single algorithm update. The smartest strategy is to improve your real center first. Optimize your title tags and meta descriptions. Add schema markup for rich snippets. Build brand recognition so searchers choose you on site. These improvements are permanent, safe, and they compound over time. Center is almost certainly a Google ranking signal. The leaked documents and industry evidence make that clear. But the answer is not manipulation. The answer is making your result genuinely more attractive than every competitor on that page. If this video gave you a clear picture of center manipulation, the full truth, not just the hype, please hit the like button and subscribe for weekly SEO and Google Ads strategies every single week. Drop your biggest center question in the comments below. I answer every one. I'm Idris, and I'll see you in the next video.